Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn faster than anyone. First, clearly define your learning objectives. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve helps focus your efforts and makes the learning path much clearer. Next, break down complex topics into smaller, manageable chunks. This prevents overwhelm and makes the material seem less daunting. Finally, connect new information to your existing knowledge base. This creates stronger neural pathways, improving retention and understanding significantly. To truly accelerate your learning, engage actively with the material. Practice active recall by regularly quizzing yourself on what you've learned. This is far more effective than passive review. Try explaining concepts to someone else, even if it's just an imaginary audience. This forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your understanding. Also, implement spaced repetition, reviewing information at increasing intervals to solidify it in your long-term memory. Your learning environment plays a crucial role in your speed and efficiency. Minimize distractions to create a focused workspace, allowing for uninterrupted study sessions, perhaps for 25 minutes at a time. Adequate sleep is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly to allow your brain to consolidate new information. Remember to incorporate short, strategic breaks. These brief pauses can significantly improve your concentration and overall productivity when you return to your studies. To sustain rapid learning, cultivate a habit of continuous improvement. Regularly reflect on your learning methods and results to identify what works best for you and where you can refine your approach. Don't limit yourself to one source. Explore diverse resources such as books, documentaries, or online courses to gain broader perspectives. And for convenient learning on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. This approach ensures you're always evolving your learning strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.